Hey there YouTube, this is Lynn38702 here with an unboxing on the Yu-Gi-Oh card packs in the Storm of Ragnarok. Dawn of the XYZ. And the Ultimate Booster Pack set. Okay, so I'll start by doing an unboxing on Storm of Ragnarok. Okay, so there it is. Comes with the instruction booklet. And one doormat. Okay. So now open up the deck. So there's shiny Archlord Christia. Another shiny foil card, I think it is. Return from a different dimension. Torrential Tribute. Solemn Warning. Smashing Ground. Sanctuary in the Sky. Another one. This card. Field Barrier. Honest. Holy Light. Init Pasath. Another Archlord Christia. Marshmallow. Shining Angel. And heaps more. Okay. So now on to the Ultimate Booster Pack. Okay, so here are all the booster packs. Okay, so in one of them there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so there's 19 in one pile, and I'll open up one booster pack of each. Okay, so those are all the different booster packs. One with Baby Togen, another one on it, Galaxy Eyes Voting Dragon, and another one. So I'll start off with the Baby Togen pack. Comes with all these cards. Okay, on to this pack. These cards, Exceed Monster and Fusion Monster there too. Nice. Okay, on to the Geyser's Phone Dragon one. Comes with Needle Warrior, Rabby Dragon, Exceed Monster, Jaguni Ducks, and these are the cards. Okay, so now for the last pack. This kind of like Lightning Dragon card. Okay, because all these cards. So yep. So then that's this pack. Galaxy has Phone Dragon pack, Baby Togen pack, and also this pack. Okay, so now on to the Dawn of the XYZ monsters. Right here. Now just opening the packet. Instruction booklet again and dual mat. Trying open the cards now. Sorry about this, just a bit hard opening these packets. And okay, now I've got it. Okay, so here they are, Glenosaurus. So there's one behind it. Number 39, Utopia. Gotchi Gentetsu. And that's it. So those are the Exceed monsters. Okay, so here's a card. There's Mirror Force, Jackie Break, Shield Spear, Limited Reverse, Reinforced Space, Dust Tornado, Trap Hole, 7 Tools of the Bandit, Poison of the Old Man, Lucky Iron Axe, Harmonic Waves, Blustering Winds, XYZ Energy, Mystical Space Typhoon, Fissure, Swords of Revealing Light, The Warrior Returning Alive, Banner of Courage, Warrior Lady, Giant Rat, Shining Angel, Blade Knight, Marauding Captain, The Vengeful Shinobi, Field Commander Vaz, Trident Warrior, Genie Wolf Wolf, Zubaba Knight, Gabara Knight, Feedback Warrior, Speedbird, Key Warrior, Technician, Shine Knight, and that's it. Okay, so that's all the cards we've got from the booster packs, Ultimate Booster Pack, and the Star deck of Dawn of the XYZ Monster, and Storm of Ragnok Stretcher deck. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.